Last class I discussed preparation methods and properties of glucose. So today we are going to learn about preparation methods and properties of fructose. So fructose is also one of the monosaccharide. Fructose is also one of the monosaccharide. So this molecule is reducing sugar. This molecule exhibits Mota rotation. Why is mentioned this molecule is known as reducing sugar? This molecule reacts with different types of reagents like Tollens reagent, Fehling's reagent to produce positive result. For example, fructose react with Tollens reagent to produce silver mirror, but the fructose containing keto functional group, but it react with Tollens reagent to produce silver mirror. Why? So only one reason. Already this concept already last class I discussed. Only one reason. That reason is glucose, fructose, mannose. These are the isomers. These three units are isomers. These are having same molecular formula, but properties are different. So these three units are isomers. Okay, that is only one reason. Next, I am going to discuss preparation methods and the properties of fructose. So first one, preparation method of fructose. Preparation method of fructose. First one, generally this fructose is all automatically or this is similarly prepared from sucrose. For example, sucrose C12H22O11 sucrose react with water in the presence of acidic medium. This is a sucrose, this is disaccharide. This is one of the carbohydrate molecule, but this is disaccharide. Sucrose react with water in the presence of acidic medium. It is converted to two units, C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. One of the molecule name is glucose and another molecule name is fructose. Okay. So the fructose is prepared from sucrose. On acidic hydrolysis of sucrose, it is produces fructose. Okay. This is a preparation method for fructose. And next one, some of the important properties of fructose. This is ketohexose. Ketohexose means one keto functional group is there. One keto functional group is present in it. One keto functional group is present in it. Okay, so in this structure, slightly different rather than to glucose. So glucose structure is observed. The first carbon involves aldehyde group and remaining 4 carbons are involving hydroxyl groups, and the last carbon or bottom side carbon involving primary alcoholic group. So but in this structure, like a fructose structure, the first carbon is involves aldehyde functional group, means CHOH to satisfy the carbon valency, and the second carbon containing keto functional group, means double bonded oxygen atoms is there, and remaining three carbons are secondary hydroxyl groups are there, and the last carbon is primary alcoholic group is present in it. Okay, so this is the structure for fructose. This is the structure of fructose. So only one keto functional group is there. Only one keto group functional group is there. Similarly, this structure containing one keto functional group, but this molecule is also positive test to produce positive reactions for the reaction of Tollens reagent and failing reagent. Tollens reagent and failing. Both are positive reports. Both reactions are exhibits positive reports. Okay, this is a structure of glucose. And next one, the fructose react with 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP. As usually, glucose react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, 2,4-DNP reagent to produce oximes. But 1 mole of glucose react with 3 moles of 2,4-DNP reagent. 1 mole of glucose react with 3 moles of 2,4-DNP reagent. So 1 mole of glucose react with 1 mole of 2,4-DNP reagent. It produces oxime, but the second 2,4-DNP reagent is oxidized, and the third 2,4-DNP reagent attacked with hydroxyl group carbon to produce oxide. Okay, so fructose 1 mole of fructose react with 3 moles of 2,4-DNP to produce oximes. So 1 mole of fructose react with 3 moles of 2,4-DNP reagents to produce oximes. Okay, and next one, fructose react with strong oxidizing agents. It is easily oxidized to different carboxylic acid molecules or different types of oxidized products. Fructose react with a strong oxidizing agent to produce oxidized products. This point is based on. So the second carbon is oxidized. Second carbon is oxidized. That point is based on fructose containing one keto functional group. One keto functional group is present in it. Is present in it. Present in it. In this structure is observed, this molecule react with a powerful oxidizing agent, like so many strong oxidizing agents are there. KMnO4, K2Cr2, 7HN with constant HNO3. So many powerful oxidizing agents are there. That molecule like fructose react with the powerful oxidizing agents. These are converted to oxidized products. Only the breaking of second carbon. That point is based on the second carbon containing one keto functional group. The second carbon containing one keto functional group. So, and next one, these are alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. Two types of structures are there. These two are anomers. Okay. So that is out of matter. And the next one, in this structure is observed 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, third, fourth, and fifth carbon atoms are containing secondary hydroxyl groups are there. Secondary hydroxyl groups are present in it. And the last carbon containing primary alcoholic group. Last carbon containing primary alcoholic group. This is a simple structure of glucose. Okay. So, fructose. It is one of the monosaccharides. And next one, preparation methods. It is this method is similar to preparation method of glucose. Both are monosaccharides. So some similar properties are there, but these two units are isomers, and preparation method is similar. And I am going to some of the important properties of fructose. I am going to discuss some of the important properties of fructose. For example, ketohexose. This is known as on the basis of structure. This molecule is known as ketohexose. Why? The structure is observed. One of the keto functional group is there. That point is based on. So this is known as ketohexose. Means hex means it is a prefix term. 6 carbons are indicated. So the structure containing 6 carbons and one keto functional group is there. That point is based on. This is known as ketohexose. Okay, that is the structure. But the structure containing keto functional group, but the structure react with the Tollens reagent. This molecule react with the Tollens reagent and Fehling reagent. Both reactions are observed to produce positive reports. Why? So glucose and fructose, these two units are isomers. These two units are isomers. And one of the important property I am going to discuss, one of the important property of fructose. The fructose react with the 2,4-DNP reagent. So it's 1 mole of fructose react with 3 moles of 2,4-DNP reagents to produce oximes. Okay, so on the basis of chemical properties, fructose react with a strong oxidizing agent to produce different oxidized products. So these oxidized products are produced by the involvement of powerful oxidizing agents, the nature of powerful oxidizing agents. Okay, so only the second carbon produces different types of oxidized products. That's why that point is based on this is second carbon containing keto functional group. And remaining parts of the structure is observed. Third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon containing secondary hydroxyl group, and the last carbon containing primary alcohol group. Okay, that's enough. And next one, the Farnos structures of fructose. So the structure means it is one of the 5-membered ring attached with oxygen, okay, CH2, OH, OH, H, OH, OH, H, CH2, OH, H. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there, C6, and hydrogens 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 12 hydrogens, oxygens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the formula for fructose. This is the Farnos form of structure. So only the carbon orientation is differ. The type of units are known as anomers. So the alpha D glucose and beta D glucose, alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. So these units are anomers. These units are anomers. For example, another form of fructose structure is observed. So another form of Farnos, this is a Farnos form of fructose. Okay, so the C2 configuration is differ, and the remaining are same, HOH, OH, H, CH2OH, CH2OH, and H. This is the alpha form of fructose, this is the beta form of fructose. This is the alpha form of fructose, this is the beta form of fructose. So the alpha form of fructose and the beta form of fructose both are anomers. Both are anomers. Okay, anomers means only the carbon configuration is differ. The total structures are same, but the one carbon configuration is differ. So that type of units are known as anomers. Okay, alpha D fructose, and beta D fructose, At the same time, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. These units are clearly observed. The total structure is same, only one carbon configuration is differ about second carbon atom. The second carbon atom configuration is differ, but the remaining total structure is same. So the type of units are known as anomers. So a previous class I discussed the structure of glucose, means pyranose form of glucose. That structure is clearly observed. The alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, total structure is same, but the C2 configuration is differ. Similarly, in this structure, like alpha D fructose, this is Farnos form of structure, Farnose. These structures are known as Farnose form of structures. Alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. Both structures almost similar, but only one difference is there. That difference is the second carbon configuration is differ. The carbon configuration is differ. That units are known as anomers. So, on the basis of previous classes, some of the examples for anomers: alpha D glucose and beta D glucose, alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. These pairs are the best examples for anomers. Okay.